What's up?
I said, bitch, come and try something. Bitch, come and try something. I said, bitch, come and try something. Cause we'll do you like the last dummy. I see you flexing on the gram on me, acting like you bout something. But we know that you ain't bout nothing. I have my yankers full of like some crash dummy. They got me jugging, I slide juggle like nigga, what you need? I'm trying to get my rocks off, so I call your bitch. I can't be fucking with Batman, cause a young nigga robbing for the rest of my days. I swear the young nigga ballin'. If I see a bag, I want another one. Oh, that's his bitch, I finna chew it like some bubblegum, that's funny, huh? Like on a mission, I'm suited and booted, I'm ready to get to it. Recover this bag, that's what I'm doing with hoes, and that's on gang. I be telling them hoes, just where they act like they under a spell. This shit is crazy fugazi, and I see why they hate me. Look at the couple of bars I just said, straight from the fucking struggle where I was, but I do it again. On my boots, icy shit on guard, I'm nice with it. So stop playing on the block serving junkies. I see I ain't running, bitch, I get the dope in this pole. I need somewhere to go, I hit them late, cause I need some paper, and that's facts, my nigga. Hey, ballin' for the rest of my life, that's what I wanna do. Fuck these niggas, they ops, and I consider true. Hey, y'all 15, got 50 in the clip. Got a Glock for the whole 30, and I'm up from my hip. He dissed me in the song, but I really don't care. I got the drop, now I know it live. Get the fuck in my face, get the fuck in my way. I'ma slap him with the Glock, now he got dick up on his face. No homo, got shot, but your shooter got baked. Your cousin up in jail, getting everybody game. I would say his name, but I need him for the play. And all them niggas pussy, and that's just how they was raised. Do my cha-cha dance with these bags in my pants. Fuck they talking about, nigga, they shot my mans. Now he up in prison, I'd rather say free you, then rest in peace you, peace you. Bitch got that sauce. I said, bitch, come and try something, cause we'll do you like the last dummy. I see you flexing on the gram on me, acting like you bout something. But we know that you ain't bout nothing. I have my yankers full of like some crack. I said, bitch, come and try something, cause we'll do you like the last dummy. I see you flexing on the gram on me, acting like you bout something. But we know that you ain't bout nothing. I have my yankers full of like some crack dummy. I said, bitch, come and try something. Bitch, come and try something. Ooh, say, ooh. Say. They can't fuck with me. Swear, oh my God, they can't fuck with me. Oh Lord, they can't touch on me. No, hey, they can't touch on me. Hey, too many bitches can't fuck on me. Can't too many niggas fuck with me. Can't too many niggas walk how I walk. Can't talk how I talk. Hey, I got the sauce, Stunner Dre in the bit and y'all